This is the Shell Smartwatch. And this is the Shell Smartphone. We've combined the best of both worlds, creating a practical yet minimal design. Unlike many other smartwatches, Shell is fully independent and boasts industry-leading specifications while ensuring you stand out in a crowd. To achieve a convenient and effortless experience, Shell comes in two parts, the smartwatch and its dock. They fit together seamlessly. Shell can be used while both docked and undocked, allowing you to have full control over how you interact with your device and not the other way around. It offers a full-scale smartphone experience with just the push of a button. The extendable handset allows you to have crystal clear private conversations and is a first of its kind in the smartwatch world. Shell's expanded wings also house the antenna. They enable full standalone 4G, GSM, GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as radio communication on our Commando units. If you're anything like us, you'll know how it feels to have your trusty device run out of battery. Our unique emergency charging solution uses a miniature dynamo generator and the energy created by your own hands to power Shell. No matter where you are, never empty, always on. We think Shell is pretty special, and one of our team's core missions has been to make sure that existing smartwatch owners can benefit from the work we've been doing. That's why we're offering a selection of adapters for existing smartwatch brands like Apple, Motorola, Samsung, LG, and Huawei. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to set up. One of our favorite features is the 360-degree rotating camera. Located on Shell's flexible wings, it's a new and exciting way to share the scenery with your loved ones. Shell also fits most selfie sticks, so you'll never miss a group snap.
Okay, Google. Open Shazam.
Shell runs on the latest Android OS, and with regular updates, you're guaranteed to stay connected to all of your favorite Android apps and features. We've made sure that Shell is both lightweight and durable. It's even fully waterproof, meaning you don't have to take it off while you cool off. If you lead a particularly active lifestyle, our rugged Commando version might be just the thing for you. With our wide selection of adapters, colors, and straps, we're sure you'll be able to spot that one Shell that you'd like to take home. So, this is Shell, the first truly independent smartwatch with full phone capabilities. We have completed its design, manufactured working prototypes, and are ready to start production. We just need your help to bring Shell to your door. We hope you'll join us and support our project. Thank you.
Introducing the PowerDolphin. PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. PowerDolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With PowerDolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. PowerDolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also in marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices can be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller for your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. PowerDolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. PowerDolphin can reach speeds of up to 16 feet per second. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface, with a 215-degree wide viewing angle. The 12-megapixel camera shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above and below you. Whether you're fishing, surfing, exploring or rescuing, PowerDolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.